Have you ever wondered why nature reserves exist in the first place? It's a question that might puzzle you as you stroll through the serene pathways, surrounded by a symphony of bird songs and the rustling of leaves. Nature reserves are not just beautiful backdrops for our lives, they are sanctuaries of life, teeming with biodiversity that we are only beginning to understand. They are guardians of our planet's health, the lungs that breathe life into our world, and the custodians of countless species. From the smallest insect to the mightiest tree, every element of nature plays a critical role in our existence. It's an intricate web of life where each thread is precious, each connection vital. Without nature, we lose more than just scenery. We lose the oxygen factories, the water purifiers, the pollinators of our food.